For nearly 40 years, Scosche has been producing quality-built, affordable car stereo dash kits and vehicle wiring harnesses. We know you feel about your vehicle, your pride and joy, and we will not design, engineer and deliver a replacement dash kit or vehicle harness that does not meet our extremely high standards. Whether you are looking for an exact fit and OEM color match of a dash kit or a replacement OEM wiring harness, Scosche has you covered. Connects to the factory stereo harnesses when installing an aftermarket stereo. Not compatible with factory amplified systems. Direct connection to the factory harness without cutting any wires. Manufactured with factory quality wire and connector, wire harness for aftermarket stereo installation with color-coded wires. Top reviews from the United States. Direct plug and play. Simple instructions, great quality. This product was a direct plug and play to the factory connection. The color-coded wires were a direct match to the head unit wiring harness. I would definitely order from this company again.